Right? Isn't he mean?
He is mean, but...
You want to bring the more food over here? Well, there's a lot already here, so.
Right?
Oh, it's underneath there because I thought it was going to blow away. Oh, you could. Here.
Okay, you want to take this? Yeah, go ahead. If you're going by the water, you want to take that. But don't dump the whole cup in there. So it doesn't let it tide so it floats.
What are they making all that noise for?
I don't know. Oh, the geese are hating on each other.
What happened, sis?
That little thing thought he was going to get me.
Uh-oh.
Those kids
They're going after
for it.
the
No, watch out, Chris. Cuidado, cuidado. They sound like a dinosaur.
They are relatively. I don't think they're intimidated.
They're trying to go. We might.
I don't think they're intimidated, sis. I think they kind of just laugh at you and geese.
I think so. They're running out. Oh, see, they're attacking the other one. They're mad. See, they take it out on them because they know I'm going to retaliate if they take it out on me.
Oh, look at them. They look like they're going to charge. That
Fight
kid
each
needs to watch
I
it.
told them to be careful. I think.
Yeah, no, look. Whenever they do that thing, it means that they're going to charge.
Oh, I know. Trust me. I've had some. Oh, you saw my geese.
It's my dad. Oh, no. Let me know.
Yeah, they're talking about you.
You better be nice.
But look at all the duckies. There would be more here, but it's kind of winterish. So they ran off. They ran off. I think that's enough video.
Yeah.